In 2025, the demand for multilingual video content is soaring. Businesses and creators are seeking innovative tools to reach a global audience. Let's start with Synthesia, a powerful platform known for its intuitive video creation capabilities, perfect for multilingual needs. Now, let's explore HeyGen, another contender in the multilingual video space, boasting robust features for easy content creation. When it comes to ease of use, both platforms have their unique strengths, but which one truly allows you to create videos quickly? Cost analysis is crucial. Let's break down the pricing models for Synthesia and HeyGen to see which offers better value. Multilingual support is key. Both platforms handle language translation and voiceover differently. How does each one measure up? Quality matters. Let's compare the output quality and customization options available in both Synthesia and HeyGen. Each platform attracts different target audiences. Who can benefit the most from using Synthesia versus HeyGen? Let's look at some case studies or examples of successful multilingual videos created with these platforms. Lastly, let's discuss the future outlook and predictions for the evolution of video content creation tools beyond 2025.